Good morning. It is a warm morning. It's already, oh, somebody took my seat. See that? Baloo, you gotta get down. Let me my seat back. And Pepper is fussing at Baloo. Says, play with me, play with me, play with me. Ow. Oh. Pepper wants some more playtime. Baloo's like, save me, save me. She's relentless. She's relentless. I know she is, but you're a ruckus. You can do it. You can do it. Uh, wow, they hit that camera really good. Blue, stop it. I have to bend my knees or else they'll pummel me. Uh, uh, yeah, there we go. You are a ruckus. All right. Well, as he destroys my wife's couch here, I guess it's called a couch. I mean, it looks like a couch, but it's outdoors. So, don't know if they have a fancy name for couches out in the outside. All right, move out of the way. Okay, now let me get a drink in, and then we'll start. Uh, hmm. Baloo, 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 Baloo. He's fussing at the neighbor dogs. You need to stop, stop, stop. You be nice. Nobody wants to hear your yammering. Nobody wants to hear it. Okay, so I guess I'll get started. Oh, and I have some coffee, so I'm getting my morning started with some coffee. I don't know what you're starting with, but hopefully it's nice and you enjoy it and it's something wonderful. Like Baloo. Baloo's wonderful. Oh, even though he is a ruckus. Even though he is a ruckus, he's a wonderful puppy dog. All right. So this week has all been a little bit about, there was actually some controversy about Scarlett Johansson's voice being used on AI, but there's tons of stuff about that. And I don't really have much of an opinion on it, so I'm not going to even delve into it too much other than just to mention it happened. Uh, I was thinking more along the lines of there has been some discussions about uh, infrastructure. Part of the reason for that is Nvidia produced their earnings and their expectations, and they were through the roof. They were extremely high. If you look at Nvidia's earnings over the last 10 years, it's been kind of a nice rising uh, slope, but then the last couple of years, it's going way up. So NVIDIA is an example of what we have to get done in order for AI to actually be useful. We've seen lots of demos of artificial intelligence being used, and I've used it, but it takes a lot of processing to uh, do anything close to what's up there. You know, it takes a lot of resources to get this thing going right. Between uh, food and environment and education and all those things. Uh, the Microsoft team is supposedly working on something called Stargate. And Stargate will be a huge um, processing campus in Wisconsin, which will have a huge number of these Nvidia chips and set up to produce a lot of artificial intelligence calculations and algorithms. But it's an example of how we have to, in order to use these products to in our environment, we have to get these things working. And the only way to get them working is with a lot of infrastructure and energy. Uh, they're looking at possible nuclear uh, power plants to support their structure. I think one of the things that is key is creating a system. I guess system is the right word. I was going to say you've got to, you can't have everything in one location. You got to have things spread out. You need to have things uh, organized, and that infrastructure work is. Hey, don't eat that, Luna. Sorry, Pepper. No, don't eat it. Got some new pe peppermint plants out here, and Pepper wants to eat them. Yes, that's how you want to eat my peppermint plants. They're supposed to be here to run the flies away. Uh, so, anyways, that's one of the things that people don't really comprehend because a lot of the IT people have managed it so well as the expansion of our compute structure. But there's a lot of work that has to be done to even have a fraction of the kind of controls we would need to implement uh, better processes in our world. Uh, we have to get a lot of things set up. It's going to be a long time before we even see, I won't say even see the benefits because we will see them very soon, but they're going to be in areas where it's very expensive. Think medicine is one of them. We will see benefits to medicine probably within the next 5 years. But that's because medicine's extremely expensive and it helps human beings and we have to go work on it. The true changes to how fast a hamburger can be processed and given to you, those changes probably won't be for a while. I won't even random a guess because those areas there's minimal uh, cost compared to like medicine, and there's not a lot of desire yet to be served by a robot. We'll see. I'm sure some of you are saying that's not true. There's a lot of desire because it's the skill set is programmable, and that's true. That is true. But supporting that architecture and the mechanics that are involved is not. It is not. So 10, 15, 20, or more is totally possible. All right, so that was it. Infrastructure. A lot of money is going to have to be spent. A lot of energy is going to have to be reduced in order to get us anywhere near having some capacity from artificial intelligence to really change the world that we are in. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. It's just me and Pepper. The other two dogs went inside. I don't know why. Maybe their mom's in is up. I don't know. Anyway, so we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.